And we're back to learn CapCut in year day 36. Let me show you the undo and redo. You can find it right here. It's the typical shortkeys Ctrl-Z and then Ctrl-Shift-Z. So Ctrl-Z is for undo and Ctrl-Shift-Z is for redo. But there is no history inbuilt in CapCut. So if you're familiar with, for example, Photoshop, there's an entire history of all of the operations that you've done to your images. This doesn't exist in CapCut. So you cannot have a look at the entire operations. You can only go back one step at a time or forward one step at a time. Let me cut it here and you can see undo reverses that cut. And this goes for everything. So if I, for example, use the speed option now, I can undo that as well and redo it again. Let me add an animation at the start or simple in, or maybe this one right here. I have to download it first and then left click on it. It's applied. And once more, you can see it at the bottom. I undo it. It's gone. I redo it. It's added again. One more good thing to know is this is only available in the current live state of your project. See that at the top, it's 0131 for me. And if I close this, we can find it right here in projects. I reopen it. And now we still have the cut. We still have the animation, the speed up. We have all of that. So that is stored, but we cannot undo it anymore. So the previous step, they will get deleted once you close your project once. Therefore, make sure to have kind of like project milestone edits, you could say. Especially when you have a bigger project with heavy edits, you may want to store it in different versions. And this is how you can use undo and redo in CapCut. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.